2004 Chevy Malibu. We're gonna take the radio out. First thing we're gonna do is remove this trim right here. There's one on each side. Then we're gonna take this bottom panel out. On passenger side, you're gonna take this trim out again. Open the glove box. The screws holding onto the glove box. We're gonna take this side panel out as well. And we're gonna do that.
That shit sounds nice.
There's a 7mm on the corner. Two on the bottom. One over there. One over here. Another one here. So there's a 2 on the corner. One on the bottom of the right hand side. And this should come off. So once you take them out, you're going to go to the passenger side. We're going to do the same thing. Same thing. There are two 7mm on the side. Open glove box. There are two 7mm. One here, another one there. So we're going to remove two 7mm inside of the glove box. Right there. It's actually three 7mm on the top. I lied. It's actually 7mm. I mean, 5 7mm. Open this glove box. There are 3 screws. 1, 2. There are 3 screws here, but you're only going to take the middle one out. Then another one here. This, you're going to release the tab holding on to inside. So you squeeze this one hard and release this entire glove box down. Then you can access this 7mm here. And there should be another one on the other side. Driver's side in the glove box, there are actually 2. Another one hidden underneath. Okay, once you remove the glove box, driver's side bottom panel, you simply grab the bottom and release the entire bezel. And they should give us an access for the radio. And now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, including the heater control. Radio should come out. 6. There are 3 7mm. There's one here. There are 3 screws here, but you're only going to take the one in the middle, another one on the side. On the bottom, there are 2 more 7mm holding onto the glove box.
Aquele romance apasionado será possível un día decirte que por favor